Hiya, it's a Sunday Shave again. How are you? A little bit different today. I'm going to be using that. Yep, it's the Wilco sword. 5-blade razor with that. Never tried that. They were giving away about, I don't know, 20, they were giving away about, I think they were giving away about 5,000. You had to sign up and there was 20 amount if you were lucky. I was lucky enough to get one. So let's try. I haven't tried a 5-blade razor in about 15 years. So let's open this up. I don't know what's going to be on it. Okay. That's what it is. It's got a silly little plastic guard on it. I'm not impressed with that at all. It's got a pivot head, which I think they call the shock absorber. Got a nice grip to it. It's nice weight. See if I can find a balance point for you all. There we go. It's not hid. It looks like they do a, oh yeah, I hold that down. Looks like that comes to the sides as well. Right, push that up. Looks like they've got there's a blade. Looks like they're supposed to do these bits. And you can lock the socket absorber. There's a little button. Sorry, I haven't used this before. There you go. And then if you press that one at the back, the head comes off. There's a little button there. Press that. Put that back on. Flick that back across. We'll try it with the shock absorber, that's what it's called. Let's try it with that. Right, let's get something. I'm going to try this from L'Oreal. It's a Shave Revolution. Never tried it. So I've just had a shower. So. A black, really. Right. Smells okay. It's not unpleasant. Doesn't say much to put on though, but it's not unpleasant. Right. Let's get washing or shaving. Right, as I just had a shower, let's okay. You know, glide's very good. I wouldn't say cut right, I'd have to. If you go one way with this, it seems to be cutting okay. That's a week's worth of growth on that. Do you know something? No. I've only got a couple of times now. I'm getting cut on the eggs. I'm going over it a couple of times just to get a really good old shave, which I shouldn't have to do. I'm not getting any irritation, and it is quite smooth. I'd have to go upwards as well, I think. It's missing bits now. Right up there is missed bit. This is a week, as I say, a week's worth of growth. What you all been up to? Anything nice this week? I've been out on holidays, coming back from holidays. See you, Chef? Oh, if you can like that. No. No, it could be that L'Oreal stuff. But no, I actually don't like that. I'm not a fan of that. I'm going to have to go wash my face. It doesn't, no. I even go up. Oh. I've actually got a couple of times to go get that really smooth. No, I don't like that. That would be right for a throwaway. Be right for a throwaway, or stick in a suitcase, or gives you something that's just starting out razoring, because I haven't been cut or anything. But you know, it doesn't do it close enough for me. It's not close enough for me. So I'm going to have to go and do a proper wet shave. I'll be back in a second. Back again. I'll see what's happening now. I've really started to mix it up, there you go. My tubby with my own little logo on the back of it. Yeah, I'm a Chelsea fan, so got that from Cadman Brushes. Made that for me. In there is the Amiga soap. I don't know the name of it at the moment. I've got a sample. So as soon as I find that out, I'll put it in the description for it. The trusty Edwin Jagger barley with a Astra Blaze in it. As I say, the Wilkinson salt one is okay if you're, I'm not saying if you're starting out, but yeah, if you're starting out, I suppose that one's okay. It just didn't go, no, you see, it just didn't go close enough for me. No. A little bit too much water in this. So, I'm looking forward to Christmas. Shopping near us has actually got Christmas decorations up. Got Christmas stuff up already. It's not a bit mean because this one becomes better than this. The price. Yeah, you've got decorations up already. I walked in here, but decorations? I ain't finished summer yet. I ain't saying that. Oh, in September. Oh, in September. So we ain't got long last week, boys. What do you reckon? Ah, it's cutting better. What you're hoping for Christmas, something nice? New wife? New kids? New old man? Which is not normally do for Christmas, anything exciting? It's going to be quite hard for me this year, I think. We're just, me and her, who must be a babe, we're just chilling. We'll have Christmas on our own. No, we're a big family. But yeah, comes down to money in the end, isn't it? Comes out of money and something about the noise in it, was actually a fan. I forgot to mention that. That's best, I might go sideways because it's really, that is a lot better, boys and girls. A lot better than Wilkinson. As I say, the Wilkinson, which is that one, with the 5 blades in it. It's got the it's got the swivel head, the head to it. You can flip that back down It's got the gel pads at the bottom. It's a cushion unit, it's got the anti at the top, the anti one at the top. Not quite no, it doesn't smell. It's got a slickness to it. It's tied off alright, but as you went your hand back up, you could feel it, even when I went back up, you could still feel the hair. Great for a throw in the car or a suitcase or an overnight bag, or one to a youngster who has decided that they're going to start doing some shaving. Get them out. I don't know how much the blades are at the moment. I'll find those out for you. I'll put that at the bottom. But yeah, give that to them to start with. I think they'll get on with it, and then from there they can progress to a cut soap or a DE, which is one of them. That's a DE, it's double edge. Or you can go for cut soap, the ones that you when you see barbers using, one of those, so they can get a brush, a bowl, and all the rest of it, and go from there. Right, and get involved in something real soon tonight. I'm going to use Nivea. It's the 2-in-1 aftershave lotion. Give it a shake. But yeah, no, would I pay for it? Probably not. I don't know how much it is. I will find that out for you. I'll put that in the link below as well. Let you know what the cost of that is plus blades, and you can work it out yourself if it's good value or not. They're normally pretty cheap. The heads, or should I say the unit, is usually cheap. It's usually the blades that are the problem. Sorry, I meant to say I'm also using that as well. It's a Nivea Post Balm. But yeah, no, it's okay for throwing into someone's suitcase. If you're not throwing into a suitcase or an overnight bag, or just throw it into his car, or give it to a youngster and go, look, this is your first shave, try this, you won't cut yourself, you won't hurt yourself. It's okay. I don't like the guard on it, but it might be slightly different. It has got a nice grip. It has got a nice grip. As I say, it's got the head on it. The socket absorber head, which you can lock off if you're one of these people that don't like. You can lock it off. Sorry, it's a bit there. You can knock the head off if you're one of these that don't like it, or you can just hit it. No, I'm not a lover of that. I won't. I'll probably use that if I'm on holiday, if I'm away for a weekend or something, or if I'm fishing overnight and I need to make myself look a bit more presentable in the morning. That might work for me. As I say, if you're fishing or if you're doing a bit of night shift and you think, oh, I need a quick shave, you haven't got anything, yeah, that'll work. But for me to actually do that on a daily or weekly basis, no, it's not for me. Not for me at all. But as I say, shove it in the suitcase, handbag. If you're at a wedding or something and you just want a quick shave, instead of bringing everything with you, yeah, that'll do. That or the electric one I put on the review. They're the two that I would use. Personally, I think the electric one cut exactly the same. Oh no, actually the electric one cut a little bit closer than this. Believe it or not. I think the electric one that I showed you, which was the Brawn, cut slightly closer than that. As I say, would I buy it? Yes, to throw into cases, handbags, overnight bags, fishing boxes, but not me. My chubby with Chelsea, but you can either have his logo or his own logo as long as you've got the rights to use it. That's from Cameron brushes. A Giles bowl, handmade for me as well. We then had with a natural blade in it, sorry. You've got the Edmund Jacob Barley, you have the Nivea 2-in-1 after the same time, just give it a shake. And then you've got, and I didn't put the lid back on, the Nivea aftershave balm as well, or post-shave balm, sorry. What I used with the Wilkinson one was the L'Oreal. Good, actually, I suppose you put that and the Wilkinson one together to try it. It wasn't for me, but I'm not stopping you having a go. If it works for you, stick it down in the comments. I'm not to hear, stick it down. Don't forget to leave any comments that you want, ring the bell for more notifications, thumbs up and subscribe, and that makes me give more ideas. Shaving should be fun, not a chore. I will see you for Wednesday's review when I'm hoping to do hard shampoos. Hopefully you enjoyed Wednesday's review about Poundland's aftershave. If not, go back and have a look. It's really good. I will see you on Wednesday for the review. Bye bye.